Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all of the cutest Stardew Valley inspired crochet patterns, and while I'm showing you all of the patterns that I found, I'm going to be working on my purple Junimo. To make things easier, I'm going to be splitting everything up into different categories. First up we have Amigurumi, and to start we have the Junimo pattern that I am making in this video, which is a free pattern by 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 ones that had something unique about them. Next up, we have a couple of slime patterns, which are both free. We have 2 different chicken patterns, which includes all of the different coloured chickens and eggs that you can get in Stardew Valley. This giant chunky cow is free and it's by 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏 Crafts. This animal bundle is by 𝗔𝗰𝗃𝗃𝗏𝗃, and the eyes on these are adorable. Next we have a 𝗏𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗏 pattern and a dwarf pattern, which are both free. Let me know if you agree with this in the comments, but I think that 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗃 makes the best roommate. The only human characters that I could find for this category were Abigail, Leah, and Sebastian, which were all very cute, but I was surprised that there wasn't more. Last but definitely not least, we have an adorable hat mouse and trash bear. Our next category is decorations. And to start, we have a bunch of different blanket patterns, which are all really cool and have convinced me that I need to make one of my own. Next up, we have my Stardrop trinket dish, which is really useful, and you can find the free video tutorial on my channel. These Junimo coasters are by String Bean, and they are too adorable. For this chicken pillow and wrist rest, you have to be able to cross stitch as well as crochet, and I think that they look very good together. This next one is for all of the Harvey fans, and it's a paid pattern by Bagel Crafts. Finishing up this category, we have 2 more paid patterns. The first is this cute blue chicken keychain, and then we have this 2-in-1 Stardrop pattern, which is a keychain and a bookmark. Next up, we have accessories, and we're starting off with my Junimo and Stardrop reversible scarf, which shows you how to make one or both designs, and is paid. Next up, we have these adorable crochet bandanas. There are 4 with different Stardew themes. The designer is simply created by 𝗏𝗃, and these are all paid patterns. Our next category is bags and pouches, and every pattern in this one is paid. First, we have a Junimo tote bag, which is a pattern designed by me, and I think that it would look really cool in different colours. Next, we have a slime sack, which is by Fawn and Phoenix on Ribbler. These crossbody Junimo bags are by Unstable Stitches, and they are too cute. Lastly, we have a small drawstring pouch in the shape of a Junimo, which is by Maria Crochets All Day. For our final category, we have tapestries, which are super easy to make. All you need to do is 1 single crochet for each pixel on the grid. And all of these patterns are free. First, we have my own 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗃 tapestry design, and as you can tell, he's definitely one of my favourite characters. Next, we have a few different Junimo designs. The Junimos holding the star fruit and the Stardrop are definitely my favourite. We have a couple of scarecrows. And now we have some of the pets that you can get. I love that you can have more than one in the new update, and I will be slowly collecting them all. We have multiple versions of all of the different farm animals, and I think that making a blanket using all of the different animal squares could look really good. We have an adorable hat mouse grid, Concerned Apes logo, Maya Lewis's pants, a bunch of different random items. The Stardrops and coffees would make really cute bookmarks. We have a dinosaur and dinosaur egg, lots of different gemstones, flowers and mushrooms, different in-game seasons, cute sea creatures, a happy and a heart emote, and then finally we have a bunch of different grids for most of the characters in the game, which I also think would make a really cool blanket. Those were all of the Stardew inspired patterns that I could find. Let me know in the comments which one was your favourite, and I hope that this video helped you find your next project, so you didn't have to scroll through every pattern out there. This is how my Junimo turned out, and I definitely recommend the pattern. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗃 for updates, and make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss another pattern video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.